All right, guys. Like I said, the money is going to enter. It finally dropped. Right. If you can see my screen, right. Um, so the way P2P works is this. The way P2P works is this. Once you place an order on a particular ad, right? Ads are actually those P2P sales that you are seeing that you need to buy from, right? So once you place an order, the platform will stand as a middleman. They will take that order. Probably, let's say you want to buy 20,000 naira USDT. They will take that 20,000 naira away from the seller, right? So once you've made the payment and has done everything, the seller will now accept that he has seen the money. Once that happens, the platform will now release a token to you, right? So that's how it works. Then you can see my wallet that the money actually entered. Then the next thing we want to do now is for us to convert this money to a BNB. Now let's assume that I want to buy a BNB. You want to buy a BNB project, right? A project that is being run on BNB blockchain. Now go to trade. You can look down here, you see trade, right? I want to believe you can see trade here, right? You go to trade and click on it. So once you've clicked on it, this place is going to open, right? Now we have the up one here is USDT. The second one is BNB. Now you want to swap from USDT to BNB. Let's assume that I want to swap to other coins. Let me say Solana, right? So you just type Solana. Once you type Solana, it comes out. You just select it. Once select it, right? You can just click on maximum or any amount that you want to swap. Then click on trade, and it swaps automatically, right? So any coin you want to swap at all, you can just do that. It's very, very simple. And like I said, this wallet is very, very easy to use. It's just like all in one wallet. You don't need to start going to exchange to do this one, come back, this one, that one. Everything is here for you, right? You can just buy your token through P2P in this wallet and start doing your trading and buying your token you want to buy. It's very easy to use. Okay, so now I don't want to swap to Solana. I want to swap to BNB. Go back to looking for BNB. Okay, this is BNB here. So you just click on it and click on maximum, or you can type the amount, right? I'm clicking on maximum because I want to try everything. Click on maximum and click on trade, right? So click on confirm. It's that easy. So I'm going to enter my, and let's see, it's swapping currently. So you can see successful, swap successfully, right? Swap successful. It's that simple, right? So I'm not going to. So you go back to your wallet. Once you go back to your wallet, right, you can see that you can see that you don't have you can see that you don't have USDT again. What you have is actually BNB, right? I want to be able to can see. Let me show you. Before we had USDT, right? And after swapping, you now have BNB. Let me show you. If you can see, look at the value here. And here is actually empty. All right, so that's how it's done. Okay, so now if you want to buy a token, right? Let's assume that I want to buy Creepy, you want to buy wiki cards or any token at all. What do? First of all, you need the CA of that particular project, right? CA simply means contract address. How do you get it? You can get it in several ways. You can get it in coin market cap, you can get it in CoinGecko, right? You can also get it from the official Telegram group. So let's go to the Telegram group of let's say Creepy, right? So if you go to Creepy Telegram group, this is Creepy Telegram group, right? So all you need to do, just come and type CA here, contract address CA. You can see CA, they've just given to you. Just copy it, right? Copy it and take it to your wallet. So once you come to your wallet, still go back to trade, right? Go back to trade and click on it. Once you click on it, make sure that the BNB that you have is up. Okay, now if the project is on Solana blockchain, make sure that you have Solana and your Solana is up, right? So how do you go about that? Just come to this middle button and click on it. This middle button here, right? So click on it. It will swap each of them. You can see BNB is now up, right? BNB is now up, then USDT is now down. But I don't want to buy USDT. I want to buy that particular token that let me say Creepy. I want to buy Creepy. So how do I go about looking for Creepy? After copying the contract address, what I have to do is for me to come and click on this drop down arrow, right? Well, I believe you can see, look at it here, that arrow there. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will open. Once it open, you now see this search bar here. You see the search bar here. Just drop that your contract address, that contract address that you got from Creepy. Drop it there. It automatically bring Creepy for you. You can see Creepy there. Alright, it pulls out Creepy because this contract address is meant for Creepy. It pulls out Creepy. So once that happens, you now select it. Right? Once select it, you can just come to the amount you want to trade with, right? Amount you want to buy with. If you want to use max, you just click on max, right? They will show you the details of the transactions, how much Creepy you are going to get, and the rest of them. Now click on trade. It goes through. I don't want to buy Creepy now, right? So that's how to go about it. It's very, very simple and easy, right? I like this wallet because of the fact that it's like everything being in one place. Okay, you don't need to start going to an exchange and go and buy your USDT and convert it, bring it back here and start doing other things like buying the token you want to buy and the rest of them. It's very simple here. You can do everything right in this wallet, right? So that's how simple it is. I will check if there's a referral code for me to drop for you to actually, click the link and actually get the wallet and go ahead with downloading it and something, right? And go ahead with registering and downloading the wallet to start using it. It's very simple, like I said. All right, so that's gonna be all, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.